Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest web tools and tricks to make your online presence a breeze. Today, we're tackling how to link your domain to your website in GoDaddy for 2025. If you've just bought a domain or set up a new site, this step-by-step guide will get you connected quickly and painlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your GoDaddy account. Head over to the GoDaddy website, enter your username and password, and make sure you're on the dashboard. If you're new, don't worry, it's straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Products section. Here, you'll see your domains listed. Click on the domain you want to link to your website. This will take you to the Domain Control Center, where the magic happens. Next, look for the DNS management area. DNS stands for Domain Name System, and it's what connects your domain to your website's server. Click on DNS, and then select Manage DNS to edit your records. Now, depending on your website host, you'll need to add an A record or a CNAME record. For most setups, like if you're using a platform such as WordPress or a custom server, add an A record. Enter the IP address of your website's server. You can get this from your hosting provider. If it's a subdomain, go for a CNAME record instead. After saving your changes, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the updates to propagate worldwide. To check if everything's working, use a tool like GoDaddy's Domain Checker or simply type your domain into a browser. And just like that, your domain is live and linked. If you run into any issues, double-check your records or reach out to GoDaddy support. They're super helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, a strong online presence starts with the right setup. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 web tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected.